Hello everybody, you are watching the channel Learn to Earn for Life.
Dear students, let us find the expression for the fault current when line-to-line fault occurs at point F in power system on phase B and phase C through a fault impedance ZF. So this is the figure you can observe where the fault is occurring in between the phases B and C through fault impedance ZF. Let us write the terminal conditions. As fault is taking place between phase B and phase C, the other line current will become 0. And the second terminal condition will be IB plus IC is equals to 0. As both the currents IB and IC are flowing opposite to each other, it can be written as IC is equals to minus IB. The third terminal condition is equals to the voltage at phase B will be equals to voltage at phase C plus the product of the current IB into ZF. The symmetrical component relation can be written like this. We know the expression for IA naught as 1 by 3 into bracket IA plus IB plus IC. Substituting the expression for IC in terms of IB, we will get IA naught is equals to 0. IA1 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket IA plus AIB plus A square IC. Substituting the expression for IC, we will get IA1 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket A minus A square into IB. IA2 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket IA plus A square IB plus AIC. Substituting the expression for IC in terms of IB, we can write IA2 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket A square minus A into IB. So, we can conclude that IA naught is equals to 0, IA1 is equals to IA2, that is nothing but IA1 and IA2 are flowing opposite to each other. The minus sign convention says that they are flowing opposite to each other. We have a symmetrical component, positive symmetrical component terminal voltage VA1 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket VA plus AVB plus A square VC. VA2 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket VA plus A square VB plus AVC. Subtracting VA2 from VA1 and solving further, we will get VA1 minus VA2 is equals to IA1 into ZF. Writing the expression for VA1, that is equals to VA2 plus IA1 ZF. We also know that as IA naught is equals to 0, VA naught will be also equals to 0. So these symmetrical component relations suggest that there is a parallel combination or the connection of positive and negative sequence networks through a series impedance of ZF. Since IA naught and VA naught are 0, the zero sequence network is connected separately and shorted on itself. So this is the interconnection of sequence network. So here the positive Thevenin equivalent circuit and the negative Thevenin equivalent circuit are connected in parallel through an impedance, fault impedance of ZF, and the zero symmetrical or the zero sequence network, Thevenin equivalent network, will be connected separately and shorted on itself. Let us find the expression for the fault current. As IF can be either IB or IC, we will be taking IB here. So it is expressed in terms of the symmetrical components like this. Substituting the expression for IA2 in terms of IA1 and solving it, will get A square minus A into IA1. Further, A square minus A is expressed as minus J root 3. So IF will becomes equals to minus J root 3 into IA1. If you take a mod of the fault current, it will become root 3 into IA1, where further IA1 can be expressed as V Thevenin divided by Z1 plus Z2 plus ZF by observing this network. If the fault impedance is 0, or if the fault impedance is absent, straightforwardly we can substitute ZF as equals to 0. Thank you for watching this video.